Good evening, everyone. Today I am gonna share my nighttime skincare routine. This was highly requested because I shared 2 morning skincare routines and everyone's like, where's the nighttime version? So I'm finally filming it, and I decided to talk through each of the products that I use and keep it a bit casual today. So I hope you guys enjoy this routine and I hope you find it helpful. I'm gonna first start off by clipping my bangs and tying my hair so it doesn't get in the way. First, I'm gonna remove my point makeup, and I'm gonna use this Aritang lip and eye remover and cotton pads from Misha. I really like these ones because it's layered and there are 5 of them, but I only take 2 to save the cotton. And I basically shake this up and then pour a little bit on to the cotton pad. And then I like to just like rest it on my eyes for like, I don't know, 5 seconds. Get my phone up. You can probably see the fibers on the cotton pad because I've been using a fixer mascara with my Neogen one so that my lashes look a lot fuller. But yeah, I just removed my makeup like that, and I really like the Aritang one. It's probably my favorite. And I used the Moonshot one before, but they don't sell that anymore, so I do want to recommend it. I showed this product before on my channel, and I just went back to it. Now after that, I've been using a cleansing water because I just like to prep my skin before I use a oil-based cleanser. So now I'm gonna use my oil cleanser, and I really like the ENATURE cleansing balm. This is probably my favorite just because it doesn't sting my eyes. This has just been such a gentle one, and I did use up a lot of it. Like, that's a lot for me. Here we have it, and then I'm just gonna gently massage it onto my face like this. Before washing it off, I like to wet my hands, and I like to massage it one more time before completely washing it off. I love double cleansing because my face feels super clean and I can see my makeup like being fully removed. Cleansing is super important because if the foundation is still on your face, you can break out from it. So I like to focus a lot on cleansing. All right, now I'm gonna wash it off. Now I'm going to use the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. This is one of my favorite gel cleansers because it just does a great job at erasing the makeup, and I don't know, it feels very clean. It's super gentle and I love it. But it foams really well as well. After double cleansing, I like to follow up with an exfoliator or a pore control mask, and I'm gonna go with an exfoliator today. So you use the gauze side to gently exfoliate, and then you flip it over for the cotton side to basically smooth everything out. But I love this because it's such a gentle exfoliator. The good thing about this pad is that you can kind of see if your double cleansing is working, because if you look at the pad, there's no makeup on here, so I know for a fact that my double cleansing is working, which makes me feel very happy. So I'm gonna flip it over and then smooth everything out. After that, don't forget to wash it off with lukewarm water. And then pat your face dry because your towel might have bacteria on it, so pat it dry. After I finished patting my face dry, I follow up with the Acwell 5.5 Focus Licorice Toner. This is super hydrating, and I use a cotton pad first because I want to see if my cleansing was good enough, because if there is foundation, it does transfer onto the pad. No foundation has transferred onto this cotton pad, so I know for a fact that my cleansing routine is amazing. And then I'm gonna layer up one more time using this toner right here. For essence, I'm going to be using the Neogen Real Ferment Micro Essence. Look at how much I use. Yes, this is such a hydrating product and I've been using this religiously. And I like to layer this up around 3 times. Alright, now I'm gonna follow up with an eye cream. This is a sample from Lancôme. I've been really loving it and I actually checked the real price of this and it's not cheap. But I got a big size as a sample, so I'm just gonna finish using that before using another. And I'm just gonna gently pat this onto my eyes. Around my eyes, sorry. And finally, we have the Make Prem Save Me Relief Moisture Cream. And this only has 12 ingredients. And I've been loving this product. Like, look at how much I used up already. And I like to mix in 3 drops of the Triple C Lightening Liquid, because that will help brighten up my acne scars. I love this moisturizer. So that's it for my nighttime skincare routine. Please give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful and comment down below what your holy grail nighttime skincare product is. And if you are interested in any of the products that I mentioned, I'll link it down below in the description box and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!